Question. IPO stands for options: Initial Public Offer, International Public Offer, Indian Public Offer, Initial Private Offer. Answer option A, Initial Public Offer. Next question. The excess money collected over the face value shares shall be credited to option: reserve capital, security premium, capital reserve, calls in advance. Answer option B, security premium. The share capital account is debited with dash while for forfeiting shares. The share capital account is debited with dash while forfeiting shares. Options: calls in arrears, called up capital, paid up capital, issued capital. Answer option B, called up capital. Security premium cannot be used for options: writing off preliminary expense, option B, issuing bonus shares, option C, writing off discount on issue shares, option D, redeem preference shares. Answer option D, redeem preference shares. Next question. A qualified report is issued by the auditor when he is. A qualified report is issued by the auditor when he is. Options: option A, dissatisfied with the audit, option B, satisfied with the audit, option C, paid his remuneration, option D, a qualified auditor. Answer option A, dissatisfied with the audit. Next question. Annual audit is otherwise known as. Annual audit is otherwise known as. Option A, internal audit, option B, interim audit, option C, partial audit, option D, periodical audit. Answer option D, periodical audit. Which of the following is a social network? Options: Chrome, Twitter, Firefox, Internet Explorer. Answer option B, Twitter. Next question. List of detailed instructions that direct a computer is called. List of detailed instructions that direct a computer is called. Options: A, execution, B, control, C, program, D, storage. Answer option C, program. The acronym CRT stands for options: A, computer radio technology, option B, cathode ray tube, option C, color ray tube, option D, computer ray tube. Answer option B, cathode ray tube. The validity of a cheque is dash from the date of its issue. Options: 9 months, 6 months, 12 months, 3 months. Answer option D, 3 months.